Opua. As you can see, I'm all rugged up. It's a little bit chilly out here. I've got my beanie on and my jacket, thermals, jumper, gumboots. I've also got a blanket on top of me as well, so I am quite warm. So we've had 2 good sailing days, a little bit breezy yesterday, some 35 knots dot gusts came through, but the boat handled it all very well, so looking good for our trip up to Fiji, and expecting to be in Opua about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. So far it's been a good sail. It's quite cruisy at the moment. We're just sitting on about 20 knots, 21 knots. Some gusts come through at about 25, but few and far between now, and the boat's sitting nicely at about